Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, this is Canon Image Runner 1643i2 model scanner cum printer cum copier. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to print from pen drive in Canon Image Runner 1643i printer. So first you have to insert the pen drive into the USB port, and then we have to go to media print. See, memory media print is restricted. It is restricted. Now you have to go to menu and then go to function settings, and then you have to go to store access file, and then you have to touch on memory media settings, enter your password, next login. Now see, this is used, scan function is off, print function is also off. Make it on, then click apply. Settings configured, changes will be effective after the main power is turned off and off. Okay. Now you have to restart the printer. Again power on the printer. Now go to memory media print, this option, and you will see the file is here. Change the view by clicking on this layout. Now select the file and then click apply. And from this you can change the tray. Change this option. Select this plane to tray and then click OK, then click start button. See, it is printed. Now we have to safely remove the pen drive. Then go to status monitor and you will find an option remove media, memory media. Click on this memory media. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.